speed capture is now open. Let's go check it out. Oh. I love that picture. Wow. Wow, these pictures are beautiful. Brand new exhibit, guys. All right, guys, today, super excited. We're back at the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green. If you're in the area, I would recommend you checking it out. Let's go walk through the history of the Corvette and see what the museum has to offer. As you walk in the lobby, they have Corvettes on display. These are where people get their new Corvettes delivered. Such a personal touch to the delivery of the vet. We'll check out the store on our way out, and then there's a Stingray grill at the very end. Let's go get in here and get some tickets and check this out. As you walk in, a 1953 Corvette. They also do guided tours if you want that. It's a $25 entry fee to get in. It is well worth it. (2019) Corvette ZR1. 1990 ZR1. Going on to a 2009 Blue Devil. I like that color. Very sharp.
All right, another thing for four people in the world of tomorrow.
1957. Enjoy the nostalgia they add to it. Like a barber shop, toy store. All the toys they offered in the Corvette throughout the years. Corvette themed guitar. (1967) Corvette. I'll tell you guys, it's a busy day here at the Corvette Museum. We're at Cars and Coffee across the road that they usually do here, I heard. There we go, some die casts. C8 clay model. Prototype frame.
Oh, I see it.
There's the LT1. St. Louis Corvette assembly line from 1954 to 1981. This is what it looked like. If you guys are watching this, let me know your favorite year Corvette or a classic one. What do you think was the best year? Hi guys, I hope you're enjoying this. If you would, consider hitting the like button, comment your favorite year, also subscribing. We're going to a lot more museums around the US. We're taking you guys with us along with car shows and install videos. So it'd mean the world if you hit that subscribe button and followed us on the journey. All right, we got the C8.R Racing Vet. There's all the racing history that's displayed here. So this is 1963 Z06. Onto a 68 L88. Onto a 63 Corvette. Cherry red interior. Let's go check out the colors. All the color studio. The frog. Saw that today at car show. Wild color. So here's all from the sketching to the sculpting. Gives you a little tour about that. All the way from prototype design. Clay model. So there's something new coming very soon. We'll come back and check that out. Never mind. Speed capture is now open. Let's go check it out. I love that picture. Wow. Wow, these pictures are beautiful. Brand new exhibit, guys. Photo ops. Last time we were here, there was, I think, Rat Fink had his collection here, or one of the Finks. If you go back to the car museum, and check out one of our last visits here. I'll tag it at the end of this video. So this is actually at the end of the tour, but I skipped ahead because I'm really interested in the photography, videography of these events, and we'll start getting into some photography skills, guys. I'm taking you guys with us for the car photography and videography journey. All right, guys, we're going to head to the world famous Sky Dome that collapsed right now. There we go. This is the one that did fall in. Oh my gosh, I love Corvettes. This museum is awesome. It's great for a history buff, into Corvettes, classic cars, all that stuff. If you're in Bowling Green, definitely check it out. Back into the Sky Dome. This is Jerry Lee Lewis's Corvette, 1954. '68 Jim Lovell's Corvette. On to George Jones, 1978. This is Reggie Jackson's Corvette. Brad Paisley's 1961 Corvette. It's a Gran Turismo concept Corvette. I like this one myself. Split wing in the back. Crosshair. Stingray from Crosshairs. Used in the last night. Oh, that's, yeah. Transformers. 2009 Corvette Stingray. Sideswipe. Another Transformers Corvette. (2024) Corvette. And a C8 right-hand drive. This is the original Sky Dome. 1994. Back into the photography. So this is the Cadillac DPI. Hey guys, hope you're liking this video. We're going to head into the gift shop, see what's there. We did a basic overview of the Corvette Museum because we want you guys to go and check it out. We'll link all their information below, but make sure you stop by if you're in Bowling Green. Let's get into the gift shop. It is packed in here like this. That's $150. Everything you could want, guys. Hats, shirts, Legos, toys, puzzles. We just picked up a new zip up at NCM Motorsports. A lot of cool apparel here. Definitely come on out and support this place. This sounds like a retro shirt. Oh, that's cool. Laid back garage. Hey guys, this is the Stingray Grill. I've ate here a couple times. There's a little detail of what they have on the menu. They have a great burger. I think I did grilled cheese and soup last time. And they always have daily specials and a bar. So definitely check them out. Here's the March specials. All right, here's the Stingray R. I'm trying to talk over this Ghostbuster thing. There's a Comic-Con going on here. But that's the new one. Beautiful with beautiful white interior. Whew. That's a bad machine. All right, guys, that's it from the Corvette Museum. I hope you like these museums. We're going to take you on a lot of them this year. Some new stuff for the channel. Check out some more museums on one of the side of the screen, or check out some car shows. We go to a lot of car shows around. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. We got a lot of stuff planned this year, and we want to take you guys with us. We'll see you next time. Keep exploring.